Hey, it is Monday, November 30th. We have 3 weeks left. You gotta hang in there. Keep doing what you need to do. So this week, you're gonna have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you'll have a short video and an assignment from me, Thursday's review, and Friday's a quiz, okay? And then hopefully we'll be back next week. We'll see. All right, so here we are, new chapter. So everything from chapter 5 should already be put in the grade book, which I'll be working on today. That should all be done. All right, here we go. 7.1, ratios and proportions. These are just fractions. You've seen them before. So a ratio is a comparison. So you're comparing things. So imagine you're shooting a basketball, and it's shots made over the number of shots taken. So I make 6, but I shoot 18. So the question would be, what would the ratio be? Remember, with fractions, we always reduce. So I'm making 1/3 of my shots, okay? Which isn't very good, by the way. And then a proportion is when you have 2 equal ratios or 2 fractions. And you learn this again, we call it crisscross applesauce or extremes by means, however you were learned. Always start the top left corner and go across. So you get 30 equals and then go across 3x. So you're cross multiplying. And then if I divide 30 divided by 3, obviously x is 10, okay? So then if I put 10 back here, these would make 2 equal fractions. All right, and then the extended ratio, it's used to compare 3 or more quantities, and I'm going to show you that in an example in the book. So today we have a book assignment, page 464. Remember, if you can't remember how to get to your book, open your email, go to the waffles, hit on waffles, go down, because remember Canvas is there, but at the very bottom, that red box is our book, okay? All right, let me get my readers on. Here we go. So we're on page 464. Your assignment today, and it's in your modules, is 1 through 5, 12 through 28 even. You must show your work for credit today. If you just write your answers down, no credit. And then 50 through 53, those are your standardized test ones. All right, so number 1, it says, out of a survey of 1,000 households, 460 had at least one dog or cat. What's the ratio of pet owners to household? So 460 had pets, over 1,000 surveyed. So you just kind of go through the words and see what's on the top and bottom. If I reduce that, I would get 46 over 100, divide by 2. So your final answer is 23/50s, okay? And this is the kind of stuff you should be showing work. Number 2, 30 girls tried out for 15 spots on a basketball team. What's the ratio of open spots, excuse me, to the number of girls? So open spots was 15, pardon me, number is 30. So reduce that, so it's half. Okay, number 3, this is what's called an extended ratio. It says the ratio that measures of 3 sides of a triangle is 2 to 5 to 4, and its perimeter is 165. Find the measure of each side. So what I say, I just put a little x on each one, 2 to 5 to 4. So 2x plus 5x plus 4x equals 165. And then you just solve it. 7, so it'll be 11x equals 165. Divide, I have my handy calculator, 165 divided by 11 is 15. Now, am I done? You know, since I'm asking that, I'm not. I have to go back and put them in because, again, I'm trying to find the length of every side. So 2 times 15 is 30. 5 times 15, Griffin, is 75. And 4 times 15 is 60. So that if I add these up, I get the answer. So remember, these are 2-step problems now. First, you set up an extended ratio, solve it, and then plug it back in. Let's do one more. Number 4. The ratios and measures of 3 angles of a triangle are 4, 6, and 8. Find the measure of each angle. Well, you remember how many degrees add up to be in a triangle? It's 180, right? So since I'm finding angles, I write 4x plus 6x plus 8x equals 180, okay? So I only equal 180 when it's a triangle and I'm looking for angles. All right, let's figure this out. 10, 18x equals 180. Divide, x is 10. So now, again, I'm not done, I just found x. So put them back in. 4 times 10 is 40, 6 times 10 is 60, 8 times 10 is 80. If I add these up, I get 180, so I did it correct. All right, then we have 2 more. These are easy. All we're doing is kind of like we did over there, crisscross applesauce. Start at the top left, 48 equals 3x, divide, x is 16. Now you can get decimals and fractions as answers. So let's do this one. I get 100x equals, I don't know what 28 times 5 is. Hold on, 28 times 5, 140. And then divide each side, so 140 divided by 100 is 1.4. Okay, and that's okay to have decimals and fractions. All right, so just so you know, these are part of your assignment. Obviously, remember how I used to always do part of your assignment? So you're gonna take a sheet of paper, you're gonna write all these out, you're gonna do all these, and then you're just gonna take a picture and upload it into Canvas, okay? Just like we've been doing. All right, good luck.